I present to you our main speaker, Angela Maiers! Give her a hand.
Ingredients, because I want you to just enjoy fully, fiercely everything that today is. And sometimes I know when you see a slide, you're like, oh, I want to write that down. This is all yours. So I brought jump drives. So anything you need, videos are embedded, activities are embedded. You'll be wearing sort of two hats today because I want you to fully experience this as a human being for yourself. And then always, because we're leaders, we're going to be thinking about how do we bring this back to others? How do we bring this to our team? How do we do this? I want that to be seamless for you. So if you want to repeat everything that we did and use every single slide, you go for that. If you want to make those better, you go for that too. But everything is yours to go out and influence. And then we'll, throughout the day, be thinking about what do we do with this, with us, with our mission to the world. So those are our three lenses today. What does this mean for me as a leader, as an influencer? What does this mean for those that I wish to lead and serve? And then what does our collective genius mean for the world? And so I want you to meet, this is Anna.